What if I told you there's a tool that could revolutionize the way you work in the field? A tool that puts all the power of your office right in your pocket, making your day smoother, your customers happier, and your business more efficient than ever before? For any field service professional out there, plumbers, HVAC technicians, electricians, anyone on the go, you know the drill. Paperwork, phone calls back to the office, trying to track down customer history, remembering what parts you need. It can feel like a constant juggling act. You're trying to diagnose a problem, fix it right, and provide top-notch customer service, all while battling a mountain of administrative tasks. It's frustrating, it's time-consuming, and frankly, it often takes away from what you do best, solving problems and serving your clients. But what if all that changed? What if you could arrive at a job with all the customer information you need at your fingertips? What if you could build professional, accurate quotes on the spot, get immediate approval, and even process payments before you leave the driveway? Imagine having access to your company's entire price book, complete with detailed descriptions and photos, all from the comfort of your tablet or smartphone. Picture a world where you can capture photos and videos of your work, document everything seamlessly, and even communicate directly with your office or other technicians without picking up another device. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not a dream. It's reality for thousands of field service businesses around the world, and it's all thanks to one incredibly powerful application, the ServiceTitan mobile app. Today, we're diving deep into the ServiceTitan mobile app. This isn't just another app. It's your mobile command center, designed specifically to empower technicians and streamline every aspect of their workday. Whether you're a seasoned ServiceTitan user looking to uncover some hidden gems, or you're completely new to the platform and wondering how it can transform your operations, you've come to the right place. We're going to break down its core functionalities, explore its intuitive interface, and show you how to navigate it like a pro, ensuring you get the most out of every feature. So, let's get started. When you first log into the ServiceTitan mobile app, you're greeted with your dashboard. This is your mission control for the day. It's designed to give you an at-a-glance overview of your schedule, your assigned jobs, and any important notifications. You'll see your first job of the day prominently displayed, along with any other appointments lined up. Think of it as your daily itinerary, constantly updated and ready for action. Now, let's talk about the heart of the app, job management. When you tap on a specific job, you'll be taken to the job overview screen. This is where all the magic happens. Here, you'll find absolutely everything you need for that particular service call. First, you'll see the customer's information: name, address, contact details. No more fumbling through paperwork or calling the office to confirm where you're going. It's all right there. Below that, you'll find the job details, the reason for the visit, any notes from the dispatcher, and a history of previous services performed at that location. This is crucial for understanding the customer's needs and providing a consistent, informed service experience. Imagine being able to see that a customer had their AC serviced last year, or that they have a particularly finicky water heater. That kind of foresight saves time and builds trust. Next, let's move into the forms section. This is incredibly versatile. You can access pre-built forms for various purposes, like safety checklists, diagnostic forms, or even customer satisfaction surveys. These forms ensure consistency in your processes and allow you to capture important data in a structured way. No more scribbled notes on a piece of paper. Everything is digital and instantly accessible. Perhaps one of the most powerful features for increasing your average ticket size and customer satisfaction is the price book and estimate functionality. Gone are the days of manually calculating prices or guessing at part numbers. The ServiceTitan app gives you immediate access to your entire company's price book, complete with detailed descriptions, images, and pricing. When you've diagnosed the issue, you can quickly build out professional-looking estimates right on the spot. You can present different options: good, better, best, allowing the customer to choose what works best for them. The app even allows for digital signatures so you can get approval instantly. This speeds up the sales process, reduces errors, and gives your customers a clear, transparent view of the work being proposed. And once the work is approved and completed, processing payments is a breeze. The ServiceTitan mobile app integrates seamlessly with various payment processors, allowing you to accept credit cards, debit cards, or even ACH payments directly from your device. You can email receipts on the spot, providing a complete and professional transaction experience. This eliminates the need for separate card readers or manual invoicing, saving you time and reducing administrative burden back at the office. Communication is key in any field service business, and the ServiceTitan app excels here too. You can easily communicate with your dispatcher or other technicians directly through the app's messaging feature. Need to order a specific part? Have a question about a technical issue? Send a quick message and get an immediate response. This keeps everyone on the same page and minimizes disruptions. The attachments section is your digital filing cabinet for each job. Here you can upload photos and videos of the job site before and after, document equipment issues, or even capture customer testimonials. This visual documentation is invaluable for internal record keeping, for showing customers the work performed, and for protecting your business in case of disputes. Imagine having a photo of a clogged filter before and after cleaning. That's tangible proof of your excellent work. Another incredibly useful feature is the timesheet functionality. For technicians paid by the hour or for those who need to track their time spent on each job, the app provides a simple way to clock in and out, ensuring accurate time tracking and payroll. This eliminates manual time cards and reduces discrepancies. The ServiceTitan mobile app isn't just about individual job management. It's about providing you with a holistic view of your workday and empowering you to be more efficient and effective. As you move from one job to the next, the app automatically updates your status, letting the office know where you are and what you're doing. This real-time visibility is invaluable for dispatchers and ensures that your schedule is optimized. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.